Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful custom wine bottle labels using the Cricut print and cut feature. And to make these labels, you're going to need printable sticker paper. I will be using Koala inkjet vinyl sticker paper. This one is the letter size and glossy one. The prints on this sticker paper comes as if they were printed on photo paper. You may use them like that, or you can also laminate them using the Koala clear lamination pages. This one comes in several designs. They give the sticker labels a special unique touch. In this package you will find regular clear, clear rainbow holographic, clear with glitter, clear with holographic stars, and clear with holographic gems or triangles. To print these labels, you are going to need a color printer. And to cut them, we're going to need a Cricut machine. I will be using my Cricut Maker. I'm going to link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the description down below. And I'm going to move to my computer to start working with the design. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I will show you how to design a label from zero. These ones over here are examples of labels already customized. I will open another window to start working with the design. But first, we need to measure the wine bottles to customize. I will measure the labels that comes with it. For example, this one measures 4 by 4.5 inches. When creating the new label, we can create it a little bigger than this one. Now let's go back to the Cricut Design Space program. Click on the shapes and insert a square. Next, click on the lock to unlock it and adjust the measurements. Since the bottle label measured 4 by 4.5 inches, this one will measure 4.25 by 5.5 inches, a little bigger than the label that came with the bottle. Go to Operations and change the color. Next, I will insert the picture that I will be using for this label. Go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you have the picture, select it, and open it. Select Complex, especially if it's a picture. Continue, Apply and Continue. Select the one that says Print, then Cut and Upload. Select it from the gallery and add it to the canvas. Now resize it. Now place the rectangle on top to adjust the picture. Now select both layers and click on Slice. Remove the layers you don't need, and there it is. Now I'm going to start adding text. The text is going to be on top of the picture this time. You may use other images instead of pictures, or you don't have to add any picture or designs, just the text if you wish. Click on Text and start typing on the canvas. Click on Font if you wish to change the font. I'm going to change it to the one that is called Adorable. If you wish to use the fonts that I am using for this tutorial, find the link in the video description down below. I'm going to enhance the letters by adding glyphs to them. For this, I will be using the Character Map UWP program. Open the program. Look for the same font you are using in Cricut Design Space. Look for the glyph you wish to use. Click on Copy. Then go back to Cricut Design Space and press Ctrl V. There is the letter M with a beautiful glyph. We're going to do the same with the letter S. If you would like to learn more about this process, I invite you to look for my tutorial in my channel. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I'm going to keep on adding text. I'm going to insert a heart from the shapes. When I finish adding all the text, I'm going to change the color. Now that I finished adding text, I'm going to change the color to it. I'm going to select it, go to operations and change the color. If you don't see the color that you're looking for, click on advanced and mix it. Now that I already added the image and the text, I'm going to select all the layers and click on flatten. This is a very important step that we cannot miss when using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. Now really quick, I'm going to show you that instead of a picture, I can add other images. For example, on this one, I'm going to add some flowers. I'm going to add some flower designs that I already have on my gallery. I'm going to be using these two, and I'm going to add them to the canvas. I'm going to place this one on the top. I think it's a little too big and it covers the text. What I'm going to do is cut it a little bit. I'm going to insert a square, click on the lock to unlock it. I'm going to resize it and cover the top of the flower design. Now select both and click on slice. Remove the layers you don't need and place the design on top of the label. It looks beautiful. There are a lot of beautiful images and designs that you can buy on the internet. Also, there are a lot of sites that offer free designs. Creative Fabrica is one of them. If you would like to use this flower design, I'm going to link them in the video description down below. Now this other label is ready to be printed and cut. I'm going to select all the layers and click on flatten. Remember, we cannot forget this step when using the Cricut Print and Cut feature. Now you already know how to design labels to customize wine bottles. These labels are perfect for adult gift or party favors for any occasion. If we are printing letter size, the biggest you can print then cut with Cricut is 6.75 by 9.25 inches. Since these labels are medium, we will be able to print 2 on each letter size page. Go to Make It. As you can see, the first 2 are on one letter size page, but the other ones didn't place them together. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to do another process in order to print 2 on each page. Place 2 together select both and click on attach. Now let's go back to make it. As you can see, now it's printing 2 on each letter size page. Now continue, send to printer. Now select the printer that you wish to use. If you don't have a printer, instead of selecting the printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF and save it in a folder on your computer. Like this, you may send it to print at a printing company or at a friend's house. Then you can come back and cut it with your Cricut machine. In this case, I'm going to select my printer. Then I'm going to select the bleed, select Use System Dialog, and click on Print. And you're going to see this window. Select the printer and click on Preferences. And here we're going to select Photo Printing. And here, if you are using glossy sticker paper, you're going to select Glossy Photo Paper. If you are using matte, select Matte Photo Paper. On quality, select High. Make sure you're printing on letter size. Click OK, then Print. To print these labels, I am going to be using Koala Inkjet Vinyl Sticker Paper. This one is the letter size and glossy one. The prints on this sticker paper comes as if they were printed on photo paper. You may use them like that, or you can also laminate them using the Koala clear lamination pages. This one comes in several designs. They give the sticker labels a special unique touch. To print my labels, I am using my Canon Pixma Mega Tank printer. And here are the first 2 labels already printed. Like I mentioned before, you may leave them like that, or you may laminate them with the Koala lamination pages. In this package, you will find regular clear, clear rainbow holographic, clear with glitter, clear with holographic stars, and clear with holographic gems or triangles. I will be laminating these labels. All of these designs are beautiful. Pick the one of your choice. Now, if you decide to use the lamination pages, we're going to place them before cutting. I'm going to be using the holographic stars design. Peel off the laminating page a little from the back. Now fold a little, like half an inch or an inch. Next, place the laminating page onto the paper that you wish to laminate and make it even on both sides. Then stick it to the paper. If you wish, you may use the Cricut spatula to remove the air bubbles. And here are the custom wine bottle labels already laminated. Now we're going to go ahead and cut them with the Cricut machine. Now that you are already printed and your labels are already prepared, we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. Now, if your stickers or labels are not laminated, you're going to select either a sticker paper removable or printable sticker paper white. But if your labels are laminated, we're going to select heavy cardstock. Now let's go to the machine. To cut these labels, I use my Cricut Maker machine. You can use any model. And here they are. As you can see, they look gorgeous. With the lamination, they not only look beautiful, but now they are waterproof. And believe me, in camera, they don't look as beautiful as in person. They are gorgeous. Now I'm going to go ahead and start placing them on the wine bottles. You can place it on top of the label that comes with the bottle, or you can remove it if you wish. To remove it, I use cold water and a rag. Then at the end, I use glue gun to remove the rest of the label. After removing the label, and before placing the new label, I clean it with alcohol and paper towel. And that easy, we already finished customizing the wine bottles. These custom wine bottles are perfect for adult gift or party favors for any occasion. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link the equipment, supplies, and fonts used for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.